Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is currently going according to script. I would still primarily expect lower prices. On a day like that, of course, we can see short-term distortions. That can always happen. We can see certain invalidations maybe due to additional volatility. For anybody who's not aware what's going on today, we've got the Fed interest rate decision that can spark short-term volatility, and we might see certain scenarios completed or invalidated within seconds, maybe minutes. So things can happen very, very quickly. Just be aware of that. I wouldn't take price action on a day like that too seriously until we see that the dust has settled afterwards, after the announcement about the interest rate decision. Let's take a look at the overall wave count here for ETH. Just to zoom out maybe to the 4-hour chart, and you can see that price has moved in a series of 1-2 setups since June 22. With that, it is ahead of Bitcoin in its wave structure. So we have a 1-2 setup into November 22, where Bitcoin made actually a new low, Ethereum didn't. So Ethereum is one step ahead of Bitcoin. Here another 1-2, another 1-2, and another 1-2 setup. It is very sloppy. Very, very choppy price action due to all these overlaps here. So ideally, it is now the last 1-2 setup after that it goes, okay? We have the ascending trend line here on the chart, and price might pull back to the trend line, which would be in our support area. So this setup, which consists of a series of 1-2s, is actually very bullish, but there is a clear condition, and the price must hold $1,700. Which is the 78.6 retracement of our support area. If Ethereum drops below it, this setup will start to go down, okay? And let's say it will start to fail. And we will have further support areas down below, okay? So it's not like, okay, we break below 1700 and we go to new bear market lows, but it is certainly a warning. We need to pay attention to it. And we also need to be aware that there are more bullish support levels below price, below our current imminent support area, but it would change the imminent wave count. So we only have to change the wave count when there are invalidations and below the $1,700 level, which is here the 78.6 FIB level of our latest and most recent 1-2 setup. If that fails, then we have to change the wave count. So ideally what I want for Ethereum is that it holds the ascending trend line when it comes down lower. And ideally, it's holding generally the yellow support area. If we zoom into the detail, we can see that ETH completed a 5-wave move to the upside and is now working on a 3-wave pullback in an ABC correction. A wave, B wave, a C wave. The C wave is likely still unfolding. So let's zoom in. So we said the C wave is likely still unfolding as a wave 1 done, a wave 2 done. The wave 3 is likely still unfolding. So we're basically in the third wave of the C wave. We should then get a 4th and a 5th wave. The third wave consists of ABC structures because the choppiness of the move, and a C wave can be an ending diagonal. So we're looking at the subwaves here within the structure as corrective. So I'm looking at this subwave structure here as corrective, okay? So each of these 5 waves within the C wave consists of ABCs. So it will be choppy, we just need to be ready for that, okay? Yeah, and so far I think we've got imminent resistance here at the B wave, all the way up to 1888. So only if price goes above that level, we may have to change here the shorter time frame wave count. So smaller or micro resistance is at 1868, 1877, and then 1888. Yeah, and one more low at least is expected at the moment. Ideally into the region around 1830, because we have here the 50% retracement, and we did measure a Fibonacci extension level that points to 1824. And we have structural support here in this region. So things could happen quite quickly, especially on a day like this. And also the bottoming out process could happen quite quickly with a quick reversal. But let's see. I mean, again, I cannot promise you it will turn around here, but it's a level to watch. Below that level, we have 1781. yeah, and that's my update about Ethereum at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.